Hi guys, this is Jude from 𝐂𝐃𝐃𝐋. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix different problems you may be having with your mouse or your touchpad in Windows, be it Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or 10. These problems could come in different forms, be it that your mouse or your touchpad is not working at all, or the pointer is unusually slow or overly fast when you try to move it across the screen. Or like the case of this PC, the pointer keeps dancing around the screen in a haphazard fashion, even though I'm trying to direct it from the touchpad here. Now these are some of the possible problems you could be having with your mouse or your touchpad. And now we're going to go ahead and see the corresponding fixes to each of these problems. Before we go ahead with these fixes, it's important to know that mice and touchpads are generally designed to configure automatically once they are attached to a PC. So usually you wouldn't need to manually download and install any drivers to get them working. So faults usually come from corrupted drivers, liquid spills, or some other mechanical failures. The first problem we'll be fixing here is the issue of speed. And by speed here I mean the pointer speed. Now this is not a problem in itself, but sometimes you might find the custom pointer speed either too fast or too slow for your preference, so you may need to make some adjustments. To do that, you simply need to go to your Windows search and type Control Panel. Then click on the Control Panel icon from the search results. Now on the Control Panel page where it says View By, you want to select Large Icons. Then check for where you have the mouse icon and then click on it. You should have this mouse pointer properties box pop up. Here click on Pointer Options menu. You should see where it says Select a Pointer Speed. Here you can just drag this little pointer across the slide to increase or decrease the pointer speed. After adjusting, you can click on Apply and then you can check and see if it's okay for you. If not, keep adjusting until you get a speed you are comfortable with. Then you can click on OK. The second issue is the issue of dancing mouse pointer. Here, as you can see, the pointer keeps dancing around the screen in a haphazard fashion, even though I'm trying to control it normally. Now, if this is the first time you're experiencing this problem, then a simple restart might fix the problem. But if it continues, then you might want to apply similar fix as in the case of the mouse or touchpad that is not working at all. Now for the issue of the mouse or touchpad not working at all, we'll be updating and reinstalling the touchpad drivers depending on which solution works first. From here, I assume your touchpad doesn't work at all, so in order to perform the required driver update, you might need to attach an external mouse to your computer if you have one at your disposal. But if you don't have any, then it might interest you to know that you can do just about everything you want on your computer with only your keyboard. Just that it might not be that fun and fast. So here I will be using only my keyboard to demonstrate this fix. First, for the case of restarting your PC, simply press the window key on your keyboard and then the tab key. Now use the down arrow to move to the power icon and then hit enter to show the power options. Then use the down key again to go to restart and then hit enter to restart your computer. Now for the case of updating or reinstalling your mouse drivers, simply go to your Windows search and type Device Manager. Then hit enter when the Device Manager is highlighted. On the Device Manager page, hit the tab key and then use the down arrow key to move to where it says Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Then tap the right arrow key to reveal the drop down and then use the down arrow key to select your pointing device. And then hit enter to reveal the device properties. Here you want to hit the tab key until you see a rectangle around the general menu. Then use the right arrow key to go to the driver menu. Here use the tab key once again to select the update driver options and then hit enter. From here you can use your up and down arrow keys to select either search automatically for updated driver software or browse my computer for driver software. Now first, it's advisable to search automatically for updated drivers if you are connected to the internet, so we're going to begin with that option. And if that fails to fix the problem, then select browse my computer for driver software and hit enter. Here, use the tab key to select "Let me pick from the list of drivers on my computer" and hit enter. Then you can choose from the available drivers with the arrow key and hit enter to install. If that still doesn't work, then come back to the device properties page and then use the tab key to select uninstall devices. Then it asks if you want to restart your computer. Select yes to complete the process. Upon restarting, check and see if your mouse works again as usual. If not, then you might need the help of a technician to check your mouse for some mechanical faults. Hope one of these was able to help you out. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Share with anyone you think might want to see. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on future tech support videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.